A foldable iPhone by 2026. The rumors are heating up, and Apple's about to flip the script. Sleek, innovative, and tied to the iPhone 17 Air, this could be their boldest leap yet. Stick around to see what's cooking. Hey Tech Squad! Whispers of a foldable iPhone are buzzing, and gadget geeks like us are losing it. Today we're diving into the 2026 rumors, thanks to Gadget 360's March 24 scoop, and what this means for Apple's future. Let's roll. So what's the word? It's said that the Apple's foldable iPhones targeting 2026, piggybacking tech from the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air. Think a 5.5mm slim champ dropping this fall. Picture this. A book-style fold like Samsung Z Fold with a 5.5-inch outer screen and a 7.8-inch inner display. No clamshell here. Apple's going big, sleek, and crease-free thanks to liquid metal hinges and high-density battery tricks. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. Why is this juicy? Apple's late to the foldable party. Samsung, Huawei, they've been flexing for years, but 2026 could flip that. Sharing iPhone 17 Air tech means a thinner and lighter vibe, maybe $2,000 to $2,500 per leaks. X is buzzing. Is it a game changer or a gimmick? If Apple nails this, it's not just hardware, it's a mobile revolution. Production kicks off late 2026, so the hype's just starting. Here's the kicker. It's not here yet. Specs lock mid-2025, mass production late 2026, maybe a September reveal with the iPhone 18 lineup. Will it dominate or flop like a bad hinge? Apple's betting on sleek over bulky. Could this be your next upgrade? So, are you hyped for a foldable iPhone? Team Apple or nah? Drop your hot takes in the comments.